Hey guys, Ben Quintero here. It's been a while since I posted a video, but I'm gonna make this one pretty quick today. It's super bright, super hot. I've got a lot to do, um, but I just wanted to show you one little thing, and this might be the first time I'm having to put some chemicals on the property. Let's get started. Okay, let me start this by saying it is technically a chemical spray that I am going to be using here, but I should also note that it is still an all-natural solution. And you're going to see what I mean here in just a second. So what I'm actually doing here is using a two-pronged approach. There's two chemicals that I'm going to be applying inside of this container and onto a particular set of plants that really need the help. The first one is most commonly known as BT. And pronouncing the actual name of it is kind of tough. I want to say it's Bacillus thuringiensis, something like that, but everybody knows BT. What's really great about BT is that it is effectively an organic chemical. More specifically, it's actually a bacteria that's found in the soil that when ingested by caterpillars specifically, it causes a lot of internal distress and causes these caterpillars to die eventually. What's also great about it is that it's harmless to your pets, it's harmless to humans, and it really only affects caterpillars. In my particular instance, what I have is the elusive bagworm. And these things are ferocious. They will consume an entire tree if you let them. So if you ever see these little hanging sacks of needles, they look like Christmas tree ornaments hanging from any of your trees, you'll need to treat them immediately before it gets out of control. A small infestation can become a massive, almost uncontrollable infestation. The second chemical that I'm using is something called pyrethrin. Pyrethrin is, again, another organic compound, a natural chemical. It's actually derived from chrysanthemum flowers. It'll help deter some insects, but most importantly, I'm really using this to kill off any other insects that have now invaded the tree because the tree has been so weakened by these bagworms. So the hope is to use the BT to kill the bagworms, and then the pyrethrin is there to kill all the other bugs, the aphids and webworms and beetles and everything else that seems to have just taken up space on this particular tree that has been deeply weakened. And like clockwork, because it's 1,000 degrees outside, my camera overheated. Sorry about that, guys. But what it did allow me to do was wait about a week or two and show you the results. We do still have some bags hanging from the tree, but those bags are empty. The important thing is you want to remove those bags though, because they do get reused by the worms. The worms will re-inhabit the same bag and make it bigger and bigger as they grow. And so we want to take as many of their homes away as possible to deter them from coming back. And to stop them from making new homes, the BT will be there to disrupt their digestive system and eventually kill them as they try to take needles off of the tree. In the meantime, that's all I have for you guys today. So as always, y'all be good. I'll see you on the next one.